Morning students, welcome in computer class of 8th standard, and today we will start a new chapter number 3, charts in Excel. So in this chapter we will learn components of chart, types of chart, creating a chart in Excel, moving, resizing and deleting in charts, formatting a chart. So today we will learn components of chart. Students, as you have done Excel in your previous class, so now I am going to open Excel. Here are the steps to open Microsoft Excel 2010. Click on Start button, then click on Microsoft Office, and then click on Microsoft Excel 2010. Now you can see Excel window on your screen. Students, here I have typed some data in a worksheet. Now I want to show this data in a pictorial form. Pictorial form means in picture form. It is quite simple. Just select the data and then click on Insert tab. Then click on drop down arrow of any chart type. Here I am going to click on drop down arrow of column chart. So these are the subtypes of chart. Select any subtype, click on it, your chart in a worksheet. So this is the way to represent your data in a pictorial form, means in chart form. And when you will add your chart, and you will see 3 tabs appear on your menu bar: Design tab, Layout tab and Format tab. So this is the way to insert chart in a worksheet. So what is a chart? Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Now I am going to discuss some components of chart. First component is chart area. Chart area is a particular area where we draw a chart. You can see this rectangular box, this full window of the chart is called chart area. It includes all the area and objects like marks, names, numbers, data series, grid lines and so on. So chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Next, students, you have learnt about axis in mathematics. What is axis? Axis is fixed line used for measurements. So we have 2 types of axis, x-axis and y-axis. So next component is category axis. Category axis is also called x-axis, as you have done in mathematics x-axis. So this horizontal line, horizontal axis is called a category axis or x-axis. Next component is value axis. Now you can see in this chart, this vertical line is called value axis or y-axis. So what are the category axis? Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart, and value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis of the chart. Next component is data series. Data series are the bars, slices or other elements that show the data values, like here These bars show marks according to the student's name. So these are called data series. Next component is category name. Category names are the labels which are displayed on x-axis and y-axis. Here you can see two labels. This is x-axis label and this is a y-axis label. And you can change these category name, like click on it and press the delete button, backspace button, and you can give any name according to your requirement. Name. And you can change here it also. Click on it, press the backspace key and give any category name. So category names are the labels which are displayed on x and y axis. Next is plot area. Plot area is a window within a chart area. So this is our chart area. This full window is the chart area. Now a window within a chart area, this window is called plot area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, series, category axis, value axis, and so on. Plot area is a window within the chart area that contains the actual chart itself. Next component is legend. Legends are basically symbols, patterns, or colors that are used to show the drawn image that drawn inside the chart. Like here, these data series are used to show the marks. So legend depicts the color from these data series. With the help of legend, you can easily differentiate the data. So legend depicts the color, pattern, or symbols assigned to the data series. Next component is chart title. Chart title is basically heading of the chart, and you can give any heading or any name according to your requirement. This is a chart title. So chart title describes the aim and contents of the chart. Last component is grid lines. Grid lines that are drawn across the plot area. These lines can either be horizontal or vertical lines. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand the values. So, what are the grid lines? Horizontal or vertical lines across the plot area of the chart. Students, now I am going to repeat name of the chart components. Number 1 is chart area. This full window of the chart is called a chart area. Next, this is a plot area. This red color outline area you can see in this picture. This is a plot area. These green color lines are the grid lines. This is a chart title. These are the data labels. This is a y-axis. This is a x-axis. These bar slices are the data series, and this is a legend. So students, in today's class we have learned components of chart. So revise these components of chart at home. Thank you.